In a peaceful pond deep in the forest, lived a kind little turtle named Tutu. One day, a big storm hit the forest. Trees fell, and animals ran for shelter. Tutu saw a tiny squirrel stuck on a high branch, shivering and scared. Bravely, Tutu climbed up and helped the squirrel down safely. "You saved me," said Squeaky the squirrel. "I'll never forget this." Days later, Tutu fell into a deep pit while exploring. Squeaky returned, with friends. Together, they rescued Tutu. The animals built a shelter called Kindness Corner to help anyone in need. Kindness always comes back to you when you least expect it.